Hey friends, a lot of users have been asking why is their laptop touchpad not working. So, as per my experience, I can narrow this down to two root causes. The first one is that the touchpad is disabled from settings, and the second one is with the drivers. And the third one is obviously that the hardware is bad, but that is a hardware related issue. So, search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices and update both of them. Actually, I'll tell you the reason why. Both of them say HID compliant mouse, but one of them is the touchpad. And then search for touchpad in the Windows search bar and go to touchpad settings and make sure that the switch is on. If it is off, turn it on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.